All right, I've got this 6-ton ICP unit, which is just carrier. It's just a downgraded version. So we've got it open to just do some PM things. And if you notice, that is mold growing inside the unit, which is no small deal. I'm in the south. This is a problem that, if left unchecked, takes over very quickly. So we're gonna pull the blower, get it cleaned up. We're gonna pull this out. I've got some special mold treatment stuff we do. We'll get this whole cavity cleaned back out, circle back around. All right, I've got the fan parts spread out. I have treated this with the antifungal stuff. So all the way into the back of it, don't miss anything. So you don't get it all, it's coming back. That's just a shadow thing. Yeah, so ran the shop vac in there. So I'm gonna start putting the fan back together, get that set in there. Then I'm actually gonna pull this plate off, and I'm going to lay it sideways over the output to the building, because this mold stuff has a smell to it. Now this is still in the back of house, but I don't want to overwhelm people with a weird smell, even though they know it's coming. So I'm going to turn on the blower, but I'm going to vent it out the side instead of down into the building to draw the first bit of air out of here. I don't want this to go mist, right? So the motor has to be separated from this housing, because look at all the mold and nastiness on there. You'll never get all that off without actually spraying it with the mold killer. So, and I don't want to risk getting the motor wet, so I'm working this piece. Alrighty, so the back slides in place, front 2 screws, these pop off, blade gets remounted. So like I said, we are demolded and good to go. I'm going to pull this panel off and show you what I mean about doing a twofold thing. Any debris or crap that I knocked loose in here, I don't want to blow into the building. So and I'm not going to let this run for long like this, because I don't want to, you'll actually overamp a motor having it draw all that air. But you can see what I mean. I want to take the smell and the debris from inside, and I'm going to blow it out here, and I've covered the access to the inside of the building. So I'm going to shop vac this lower box out. All right, we got Humpty Dumpty all back together. Mold free.